Our restaurant's #1 selling wing sauce. Kyle, You're Behind BBQ. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, please like, subscribe. If you are returning, welcome back. Today we're gonna knock out something that is our #1 wing sauce at the restaurant. Peanut butter and jelly wings. Yes, it sounds weird. Yes, it sounds crazy, but trust me, it works. It works. So we start out with our chicken wings. I got 12 here. I got the big ones, the big old wangs. All right, get you a nice cooling rack. If you need a cooling rack, check the link description below. There's a little site on there. You can find it on Amazon, a little Amazon link. Pam, we're gonna Pam the grate. Very easy, very easy. Anybody can do this. Wings, no seasoning, no oil, nothing to them. Just your regular old wings. Boom, that's it. Super simple. All right, so now we're gonna go fire up the grill. We're using a pellet grill today. It's a Green Mountain Grills. So we're gonna go fire that up. We're gonna start off at 150 degrees because I think on a pellet grill, once you get it going, it starts at 150. It burns more of the pellets. You get more of the smoke flavor. So these are gonna be smoked fried wings just like we do at the restaurant. So let's go outside. Let's get these wings on, and then we're gonna start working on the sauce. All right, now it's sauce time. So we're gonna do 1/4 pound of butter. Basically, it's gonna be a full stick, but restaurant lingo, it's gonna be 1/4 pound. So 1 full stick of butter over the oven, and you're gonna want this to melt. All right, butter is melted down. Now, very important. All the instructions will be at the bottom, but you're gonna use 1 full cup of strawberry jelly. I use the Smucker's brand, or honestly, whatever's on sale. But strawberry jelly, you're gonna do 1 cup of that. Now, with this, you wanna stir, because you want that jelly to break down. Break down with the butter. Then we're gonna use a 1/2 cup of regular peanut butter. No peanuts or any of that in there. I mean, I guess you could. I've never done that, but this is just regular peanut butter. 1/2 cup. Now you want to stir. Break this all down. Now, if you want to spice this up, you can add a tablespoon of cayenne pepper. But I'm just going to keep stirring. You want to blend all those in. Blend them in, blend them in, blend them in. Okay, now you're gonna do a 1/2 cup of Frank's Red Hot. 1/2 cup of that. Mix. Boom, now you're gonna let that simmer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you're gonna pull it off, let it cool, and then we're gonna toss our wings in there. All right, hour later, let's check out the wings. Woo! Good, they got a little color on them. I don't care what the temperature is because we're frying them next. So it's got a nice little sheen on them from the smoke. I'm happy with them. I'm gonna pull these off and we're gonna go straight to the deep fryer. All right, wings are in the basket. They're ready to go. The oil's at 350 degrees and we are going to drop them. Boom. The one important tip, if you get anything out of this video, is to make sure you take your wings over 200 degrees. It's the most tenderest and juiciest way to eat chicken wings. You've had chicken wings where they're tough, but it will not be tough once they go over 200 degrees. But they're safe to eat at 165. All right, wings are in the bowl, okay? Wings are in the bowl. Now we're gonna get our sauce that we made. And I don't like a lot of sauce. I mean, you can do as much sauce as you want, but I like light sauce. So we're gonna drizzle this on the wings, just like that. And then we're going to mix this up. Now, always remember to try to take your wings right out of the basket, right out of the oil, straight to the sauce. You want it straight to the sauce. All right, we're gonna mix that up. Now let's get our cutting board out. All right, and let's plate them, because we're not done yet. We're not done yet. I'm gonna start plating these down. Oh, bada bing, I'm happy with that. Okay, now we got them on there. Next step, get your old Smucker's jelly, and you are just going to drip, drip, drip all on the wings. More jelly. Boom. Now, like I said, this is the #1 wing sauce that we sell here. #1. Next, panko breadcrumbs. No seasoning, just regular, plain old breadcrumbs. Then I will coat the top of these so it gives it another crunch. Now, there's only one thing left to do is to eat. I'm gonna take this bad boy right here. Here we go. Looks good. Got that extra crunch. The peanut butter, the jelly, a little kick from the Red Hot. Y'all enjoyed this video? Wait to see what I got coming up next. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss a thing.